Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of your Facebook account being restricted from advertising so that you can solve it and continue to run ads again. Now, when you look at this account, it says you are restricted from advertising. You can't run ads or manage ad accounts. So when you see you are, it means you as the person, the owner of the account. In fact, on several occasions, I've done videos about this type of restriction. But in this video, I want to let you understand all the types of restrictions and how to resolve each of them. Now, when you log into your Facebook, if you want to solve problems of this nature, first of all, you log into your Facebook account by going to facebook.com. Then from there, you come to the ad manager and open it in a new tab. So when you open it, it is going to bring you to this particular place. Now, when you come here, when it says, if you see here and it says ad account disabled, then what it means is that it is your advertising account that is restricted. If you see ad account disabled, it is your advertising account that is restricted. Your advertising account could be restricted and you the owner, you the user of the account is not restricted. But if you see you are, it means you, the owner of the account, your user advertising access is restricted, and it is the worst of all the restrictions. Now, I will show you how to resolve each of them. Now, when you see something like that, you come to the left-hand side, click on All Tools, and click on Business Support Home. Business Support Home. Or you come and then you come and click on you can click on See Details. It is all taking you to the same place. So if you click on See Details as an example, it will bring you here. See, it's bringing you to the Business Support Home. Now, when you come to the Business Support Home, if it is a user account, you will see your name at the top and the restriction just below it. You will see it showing there. If it is not a user account restriction, if it is ad account, you will see the restriction showing here. So in that case, if it is ad account, you will simply need to create another ad account and continue with your advert. And in that case, I've done a video earlier on how to create ad account and how to create business manager and ad account. You can check the link above. You can also check the link in the description of this video. Then, if you scroll down and you see it is a page that is restricted, because for some of you, it could be a page restricted and you don't know and you think it's an ad account. If it's a page, you simply go and create a new page. You can check the link above and then you'll be able to create a page. Then also, it could be a business manager. In that case, if you click on, when you click here, you will see overview, account overview, and then you see view my accounts. So you click on view my accounts. So when you go to view my account, you will see business account. So when you click, if it is a business manager account, just like what I'm showing you here, if it is a business manager account, in that case, you can also follow the you can follow the link above to know how to appeal. But I will even show you that particular process here. Specifically, I will show you that process of how to appeal for business manager here. But the video I'm talking about above is also specifically focusing on business manager restriction alone. So I'm going to now show you the solutions, the step-by-step solution to actually appealing and reinstating your user account. Now, if it is a user account, what you simply need to do is just to click on request review here. Now, when you see the request review here, when you click on request review, this particular one, the user account has already been appealed and there was no solution. The person who has the problem already made the appeal before even contacting me. So I couldn't even help the person again, because when you make a mistake and you do the appeal wrongly, it's an irreversible process. You cannot reverse the action. So you must make sure you take time and do the correct thing. Now, if you are to appeal, how do you appeal? Now you click on request review here. You will be asked to confirm your phone number and your email and to submit your ID card. Now, before you submit your ID card, make sure you do this. You will come to your Facebook profile, click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner, go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, go to settings. Then from there, okay. So when you get to your personal details, okay, so you go to, in fact, they are introducing a new interface. That is not how it's supposed to look like. But if you click, I'm just going to, so when you come to the account center, you click on personal details. Then you go to personal details. Then you see date of birth. So you click on date of birth. Make sure your date of birth is matching with the date of birth on your ID card. Then you come to profiles. Then you also click on the profile. Then you go to the name. Make sure your first name and your last name is matching with the name that is on your ID card you're going to use. And for the purposes of appealing on Facebook, the ID card they accept are national ID card, passport, voter ID, and driving license. When you have any of them, so you come back to the business support home, then you click on request review. When you already confirm your phone number and email, then let's just come back and I'll use this to demonstrate for you to see. So you see request review. You'll be asked to confirm that you are not a robot. Then you click on continue. So you'll be asked to put your phone number, then confirm. After that, you will also be asked further to put your email, and then they'll send a code to your email to confirm. Then you'll be asked to upload the ID. So you upload the ID and submit. This particular account, the owner is not yet ready with the information for me to finish the appeal. That is why I'm not actually submitting. When all those things are ready, I will just submit it with the ID card and confirm the identity. Now, when you confirm the identity, they may sometimes ask you the reason why, when you submit the ID card, they may sometimes ask you the reason why you are requesting the review. When you see that, you can just click on another reason because they may say, I don't know, or I violated the policy. Just choose another reason. And in the another reason, they will give you space to write why you are appealing. So what you would say is that my Facebook account has been restricted and I am told I violated your policy. I know I've taken time to go through your policies in detail and I can see I haven't violated any of them. I am sure this will definitely be a mistake. Please reinstate my account for me. Then you submit the appeal. They will go through it and within 48 hours, if you come back to this particular place, you will see that they will show the outcome of the restriction, the appeal, whether they have reinstated it or not. And most of the time, if you do the identity verification well, you have over 50% chance of getting it reinstated. Okay. If you didn't actually violated the policy and you confirm your identity, you have 99% chance that your account will be reinstated because on several occasions, if you did not really violate the policy and your identity confirmation is successful, the account will definitely be reinstated. If you follow it, you will get your account reinstated. I have reinstated over 1,000 accounts in the last 5 years. If you have any problem and you need my assistance, we charge affordable prices and we will do it for you. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description to contact us. You can also leave your comments in the comment section and we'll reach out to help you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.